If you're watching this video, congratulations, you've made it to the end of the course. I hope by now you understand what technical SEO is, its significance, its features, and how, if done correctly, can lead to improved rankings and more traffic to your website. I'm also sure that you're familiar with terms like schema, sitemap, canonical tags, redirects, robots.txt, and more. And you also know how to audit a website. Technical SEO is an ever-evolving subject because search engines are constantly updating their algorithms and improving their ability to understand and rank websites. As search engines become more and more sophisticated, technical SEO strategies must also evolve to keep up with these changes. And this is my commitment that this course will always stay updated and fresh with any new change or update. I've also linked some resources in this course. Please feel free to read these blogs on this website. You'll find a lot of useful content. But if you have any questions, please get in touch with me. And I'll also appreciate if you can rank this course. So that's it. Thank you and goodbye.